You know, I used to be young once. Anyway, that's got nothing to do with what I'm going to talk about, which is not all stocks are falling. These ones are rising. I thought I would give you a list of stocks which were up last year and are up year to date. Somebody's going to ask me, what date is this? 18th of March, 2022. I've come back from the future in order to warn you of the future. So these are the ones which are up, and I've also looked at the value growth rating, which is based on my own algorithm, which looks at the profitability of a company compared to its share price. I know some of you have accidentally stumbled upon this video and meant to look at the dancing and are now thinking, what has happened? Am I in a parallel universe? Yes, you are. Put your phone down, go away. Revenue growth, dividend yields, cash flow, consistency of outperformance. 7, 8s, 9s are always good. Rolling PEs, I want those below 20 pegs. I want those below 1. Sorry, rolling PEs below 30 I've given as an example here. So it was really trying to pick companies which were up in both years, but that wasn't all. I didn't just want to look at momentum alone. I wanted to also to look at other factors, as many as possible, because that's proper due diligence, valuation, growth, momentum, cash flow, every single factor. And these are some of the names. These are not stock ideas for you to go out and blow your parents' pensions on or your own pensions on. Don't do that. This is more just to teach you one approach. And you can see most of these are either commodities, energy, or pharmaceuticals. There are some exceptions. Dollar Tree is an exception to that. You could argue Deere is. I mean, defense is Raytheon, defense is Lockheed Martin. Kraft Heinz is somewhat of an exception, unless, well, I think I've got a theory with Kraft Heinz. I think it's going up because everyone's stocking on cans of beans for the nuclear Armageddon that's about to hit, and they're building bunkers secretly. If you haven't started building a bunker and don't know anybody who has, then they're just not telling you, and you're lagging behind. All right, good luck with your investments. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit follow and to follow me, because you got to help out an old bloke, and that's probably the easiest way to do it. Okay, look at the links in the bio. You can download copies of my book, my Telegram channel, internships, work experience, all free. It's all on there. And when you hit the follow button, I get a little electric shock, from which I derive immense dopamine benefits in my brain. So do follow. Like I said, tell your friends to follow as well. Shout it out from the rooftops as well. Good luck with all your investing. All investing is risky. This is not personal individual advice. It's purely for educational purposes. If you think otherwise, do unmentionable things with your cell phone.